Learn about a side hustle that ordinary people are doing to make 5 to 6 figure passive incomes, become their own boss and break away from the 9 to 5. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gerard. I am a busy, married, father of 2 girls who works a regular 9 to 5 job as an IT support engineer. Although I love helping my colleagues with their IT issues, I've been looking for a side hustle to make money online and bring in that much needed extra cash for my family. I needed to find something that would allow me to continue to work the 9 to 5, and also earn a passive income. Yes, even while I sleep. Are you looking for a way to make money online in the comfort of your own home, but don't have a product of your own? Then affiliate marketing might be the perfect solution for you. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products and services. Here are some key benefits. 1. There is no need to create a product. 2. There is no need for inventory management. 3. No customer service is required. All these services are taken care of by the company you are affiliated to. But how do you get started with affiliate marketing? It all starts with finding the right niche and products to promote. Then, you need to build a following on social media or through content creation and drive traffic to your affiliate links. When someone buys a product through your link, you get paid a commission. So how do you learn about affiliate marketing? There are plenty of resources out there to help you get started, like the top-rated program from legendary marketer called the 15-Day Challenge. This is the exact $7 training I took to get started on my affiliate marketing journey. Yes, you heard right, it only cost me $7 to do this training. Legendary offer comprehensive training on affiliate marketing, from finding the right products to promoting them effectively. You even have the option to purchase the business blueprints to get your business up and running in no time. So if you're ready to start making money online through affiliate marketing, I highly recommend checking out the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge and taking the first step towards financial freedom. Click the link in my bio to find out more about this training course and download my free beginner's guide to affiliate marketing ebook now. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it's been helpful. Here are other ways you can reach out to me. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification button and follow to keep up to date with more affiliate news on these channels.